You know what I mean? Self-reliance. Always know, say, yo, you're great within you.
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Rebel Salutes 2023, brought to you by Jinxing Up, distributed by Massive Distribution Limited.
Bosco Duttyberry here, Rebel Salute 2023. Out there with I-Octane, and apparently this brother is making so much money. He decided to, you know what, I'm gonna give Jamaica a little break and just make the money overseas. And now Rebel Salute managed to bring you here.
Yeah.
How they managed to convince you?
Well, they just give me a good amount of money at all.
Okay.
They just pay me good.
Okay. Get paid well and you say, huh?
Yeah, man, I hear we're going. You know what I mean? Like, we just afforded a pandemic, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We did try, like, do the internet thing and a podcast thing, but me still go at it, but it never really work like some people work, you know what I mean? So I decided that, you know what, watch your style I know. To reintroduce myself to Jamaica market, this is the perfect show. I can get chance to sing the song them, you know, be myself, you know what I mean? And
you get a 5-minute on stage, you can get for really interact with the audience.
And then it's the same patrons, it's the same fans them, but different mentality.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's the people them where there tonight with a bus ahead of our next stage show.
Yeah, man.
They're here with the more
people
tolerance.
will apologize and say, no, sorry, I'm step on your clocks and them something.
Yeah, they have more tolerance. So it's good for you to use this platform to execute whatever you want to execute.
Yeah. No, you spoke about the pandemic, like mentally, like where were you? Cause me can only imagine, like as an artist, you used to going out, interacting, doing your show them, and you can't do that. Like, how you pivot? What go on in your head?
Well, I look on the glass half full instead of half empty. In terms of going out on shows and interact with people was like devastated to me. I mean, nobody because remember, music is like the soundtrack of my existence. I love music and I love to perform.
I use the artist where you come alive when you're doing the stage shows.
Come alive. Remember saying when it comes to performance in the new school, there is nobody better than when it comes to performance in the new school.
So like you talk about the show going in December, you know? So like you talk about the show going in December.
Yeah, but here we go. I'm not really bash the young artists.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because I was once young and I was at the same stage but the era that I'm coming from, people would give me constructive criticism. But in this era, just because we have social media and anybody have an opinion, people will not understand. Like people will never edit or never do this. Them will tell you what you have to do or them have opinion
that's
of
true.
something
Facts.
because them are dealing with feelings. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't ridicule, I wouldn't bash the younger, I would give it constructive criticism. You know what I mean? But
you have young artists around the place now that you can actually say, like you feel the type of ability there for those can tell a young artist,
maybe
you can't do
anything because remember say everything is a persona, and any young artist me DM them always reply.
Oh, okay.
You know
so you're getting a bad blood, a bad energy.
Because watch a lot of people from the outside, say them you they got this or them you the hyper because of the persona with them create. But remember them not know no better. Because there was a generational gap. Because who come before them never show them the love neither. Why you think trap music exists in Jamaica?
Facts.
Because the main producer them will do dance, I'll never advise the youth them.
So them find a little lane for themselves.
So the you're bridging and you know computer and you listen to rap music, you make a rhythm and me go to a main producer and him say me never
you bypass the gatekeepers
me sing by your rhythm and it become the number one song. That's why the internet is the new radar, the new way play music now, so any artist can get the break from that. You know what I mean? But when the artists can get the break from that, they need to study the business where the legend them, were sustained for so long. You know what I mean? Man like me I do more than 15 years. You know, we have Wolip, I can't stop calling him.
Hold on, stick up in. Me hear say you have album a drop, I have big bad collaboration with like.
Me have album drop already, name I Am Great.
Jesus Christ.
I saw I Am Great out. And we have big collaboration with Rygin, so big up Rygin. And him
and what's the response like in the street? What's the response like in the street for the collaboration?
500,000 views in 2 weeks. And that is one of one of my greatest songs them. You know what I mean? Because
so to put you back into the space like exactly what you want to do with your fans them right now.
Man, like the new fans them.
Yeah.
Like the new fans them, because remember who was 10?
Yeah.
If you had 15 years or more, who was 15 become 30, who was 10 become 20, you know what I mean? So you have to reinvent yourself at all times.
Speaking of reinvent now, we have to close with the interview here, but we can't left without the boss fashion now because honestly, the cologne now, it's not cheap cologne.
Tell it a kick.
What the name of the cologne?
So here we go on now.
Can you make the money abroad in 3 years, they're Jamaica.
Mr. Youth can't wear strong cologne.
Okay.
So this I use more by anything with a nice scent. So this is Good Fortune.
Okay.
Mixed with Tiffany and Co for man.
Oh wow.
And then you don't know.
And not cheap cologne.
Yeah, not cheap cologne. And then you mix it with liquor like the Chanel, you know what I mean?
Hold on. So like tell the people them right now, say yo, for the youth them out there, so 2 type of what you call it, like cologne type of things where you say as a man you're probably supposed to have.
2 type of cologne you're supposed to have.
2 bars cologne, yeah.
Yes. For me still, cause well, you're supposed to have one.
So tell people that if I want like a cheap one and cheap and clean and still good, I can't say it.
I don't advertise them.
Oh yeah, true. See there? A money talk. You see a management say, money talk, big up yourself in the I-Octane, you know.
Yeah,
and finally, I just want to just leave one message to the people of Jamaica and to your audience right now. Because it's been a while, and so just say anything to your supporters and audience.
Alright, here we go. People in Jamaica, you know, me always are different people, them less fortunate. You just believe in yourself. It all start from there, so. You understand? And make sure so you validate yourself before you try to get it from me. Because I might feel a certain way and just take that out from you. You understand? So just believe in yourself, empower yourself, you know what I mean? Self-reliance. Always know, say, yo, you're great within you. You understand? Because if you don't do that, then Berry can't tell you anything to distract you. You understand? So once you believe in yourself, there's nothing can change you. You understand? So you will know right from wrong and know, say, all right, then I might stubborn at certain things, but I believe in myself. I will learn along the way, trial and error.
Wait, hold on, this sound like says I-Octane motivational speaker. Yes. Add that to the nether bag right now, okay? Yeah.
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Rebel Salutes 2023, brought to you by Jinxing Up, distributed by Massive Distribution Limited.